ready to move on, to make new friends. With me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
Ted, sit your skinny ass down, you dumb slut.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo. Call me dumb. I have a PhD, motherfucker. This is where it all began, Puddin'. You motherfucker. It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman.
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.
Silence.
Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me? Freak!
And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Gotta take you back a few days. To that night I got shit-faced at the Black Mass Club.
Without a woman or a girl.
Canary's been singing at Roman's club for years.
Come on!
He calls her his little bird, and he's got her wrapped right around his fancy little finger.
Here you go, Canary.
Thank you.
And for the first time,
Another drink.
Yes!
Yeah?
Yeah!
It's on me. Hey,
Sure.
2 shots.
Drinks!
Hey. We're all good here.
Isn't that Joker's girl?
Not anymore.
got room for one more?
I don't need your help. I got this.
You got this? You sure about that? Yeah, no wonder everyone hates you.
What the hell are you doing here? You're not the only one who makes money off of dumb rich white people.
You know what? One day you're gonna pick the wrong pocket, sis. Okay.
Boy, gon' miss. Run up on me, I better get the jizzy. Tell your people to call me if it is about that chicken. The most wanted in Gotham. All your diamonds.
In the storytelling business, this dummy swallowing that diamond is called a complication. A complication I didn't exactly. I'm starting up my own business. See what it's.
Diamond.
Her name's Cassandra Kane.
Good. Perfect.
What the fuck?
I'm not shopping at this store. I'm robbing the store. Consider this your first lesson. Paying is for dummies.
This place
Well, it ain't much, but it's better than a prison cell.
is so fucking dope.
But gotta admit, it's kind of nice having the kid around.
Bruce? Come here, boy. Bruce? Bruce? Bruce?
This doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand that. No one knew we were here. No one knew we were here except.
Come on.
Okay.
Just walked in on something I don't give two shits about. This guy's dead, so I'm just gonna get out of your hair. Cool?
No, wait. She's lying. She works for Sionis.
Excuse me? I work for Sionis?
I'm not letting you sell the kid to him.
I wasn't going to sell the kid. I was going to trade the
Yeah,
kid.
to save your own stupid skin, huh?
I'm not proud of what I did, but I had half the city after me. Even the fucking crossbow killer.
I'm not the crossbow killer!
Oh.
They call me.
Helena Bertinelli.
For fuck's sake!
As in the Bertinelli massacre.
Yeesh, kebab. That is childhood trauma right there.
Victor Zaz.
I'm done.
Bravo.
The rest, you can kill.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
You know,
Don't worry. You're gonna make it, okay?
what the?
Come on, it's okay, come on. You shouldn't have to see this.
But I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn.